Welcome to Forecast. Well, today we are talking about the euro dollar. I'm joined on the line by Naeem Aslam from AvaTrade in Dublin. Well, Naeem, the euro fell near an 8-month low today as short bets surge. You believe the euro will fall to 134 in the short term. So tell us your reasons for this, and how do you think investors will respond to Draghi's comments this week?
There's two aspects to this. First, let's start with Thursday. The Eurostat, the inflation rate fell to 0.4% in July, and it is at the lowest level since October 2009. And not to mention, this rate is also below and the ECB target of 2%. So we think inflation is going to be very much the problem for euro, and the central bank is going to keep struggling with this interest rate. However, many participants are thinking that the consumer price inflation has bottomed out, it could bottom out in August or September, and that could help. But, that is something that the only time will tell. But for the time being, there are no signs for that.
Naeem, you believe the euro will fall even further to 132 in the midterm and 130 in the long term. So, Naeem, walk us through the trading patterns you are expecting to see over the coming months.
Yes, for sure. One thing is, again, the inflation is going to be very much on the forefront, and second, the U.S. interest rate. Let's not forget what happened last week. The old fear in the market and the rally in the dollar was just because the Fed are going to increase the interest rates because of the growth in the U.S. economy. And I think this is going to be very much the pattern for the coming months, or by the end of this year. And then we could potentially see an interest rise in the US, which is going to help the US dollar up against the euro. So we do think that the euro still has a lot more room to go towards the downside, and by the end of this year, or probably early next year, you could see a 130 on that.
Naeem, thank you very much. Well, viewers, do not go anywhere. Do stay tuned, as we have plenty more just like this heading your way. See you very soon.